So what make us see again? I mean like after all of this. Alright. Later. No, you hang up now? I mean hang up the last time. Alright. Later.
And the same man this from Florida I talk to?
Yes, same nice.
Let me ask you something. He never send you no money?
Him send me money all the time.
Like how much so? $500? $50? $5? You mean like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
Stop once and you say corona time.
That's why you live on cock soup and kiss cake, so. You must say Shoppy like you.
What me do the shopkeeper?
What you mean, girl? You know, see your business look like it a progress. Look how much people come in place, girl. I'm sure know you'd get more than $5 worth of goods.
I know you're right.
Of course.
I didn't like me for true, you know.
Yeah?
I'm going to go chicken.
I don't saw you go around there.
I just right around and shop something.
Go put on something sexy. Go into the bathroom and fix up yourself.
Hello?
So, I mean I talk to now.
Yeah.
Alright, me gonna tell you something now, girlfriend. More you tell me what you want from me, yes sir. You see me? Cause every time you come to my place, you know, you tell me say you want something, but you mean a total different something, you know, so you know what I have to do. Stay right here, sir, and tell me what you want.
Well, you may come for talk to still, but seems like I saw your baby.
You know, girl, you know, no, girlfriend, hold on.
I Lego the merchandise. Me not like a carrier.
Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and thumbs up.